So this new resume upload, to the right, you see your Google Drive and you have an uploaded PDF or Word file of your resume. To the left is the link to the form where you're going to be submitting a link where we can access your resume. Carlos is going to go ahead through the steps to show you guys how to do this. So you're originally on the form, you type in your name, email, paid member, yes, everybody uploading a resume should be a paid member. If you're not, then you shouldn't be uploading a resume. Now we're going to talk about the resume link. So you get this link by going to your Google Drive, locate your resume, right click on it, and go to Get Link. Here you have to make sure that it says anyone with the link can view it, or else we won't have access to it. So that's really important. Don't forget to do that. Copy the link and paste it over into the form like Carlos is doing right now. And then you can submit a backup PDF just in case, submit that form. Now, the way that you all will upload a resume, if you have an updated version, you're gonna go back into that same resume that you put the link in, right click on it, and then where you see that it says manage versions, you will go in there, upload new version. There you'll select the resume, the updated one, open it, you can see that it's uploading, and then you're all good. Now we have access to the uploaded resume, and you're all set.